This video includes 3 main points. First, monster is defeated by strong weapon. Second, monster is defeated by weak weapon. And third, how to dodge. Fourth, here we go. First, monster is defeated by strong weapon. Second, monster is defeated by weak weapon. Third, how to dodge. Sometimes we can't dodge. This happens because of timing. Means suppose he regenerate his power in 2 seconds and your weapon takes 3 seconds to attack. Therefore at second time of your attack he will hit you third time.
समझ रहे हो?